Drop it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the use of a menu in making decisions, okay, in a program. So we have here a program that converts temperature in Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let's go over the code. First is we have the variable declaration section wherein we have here int choice, and then we have two float variables here, temp and convert temperature. Okay, then we have here a choice where if the user selects 1, it will compute for the Fahrenheit to Celsius. If the user selects 2, we're going to compute for the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. Okay, now next is we have here enter your choice. Then we input our choice here. So since we have here 1 and 2 as our choices, so we have this condition. If choice is exactly equal to 1, meaning that the user selected Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion, we are going to execute this particular code, wherein we're going to enter the temperature in Fahrenheit, which we store in the variable temperature, then convert it. This is the formula to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. After its conversion, we store the we display the output here. Okay, but if the user decided to choose number 2 here, so the first statement will be false, this one. So we will not be executing the Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion, but rather we'll go to this else statement wherein we compute for the Celsius to Fahrenheit. Then we ask the user to input temperature now in Celsius. We compute for it, and then we display the result in Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's run our code here. So this is our choice. This is our menu. So you're being prompted to enter the conversion that you like, whether it's Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa. If the user enters, if we have here enter our choice, if the user enters 1, it will execute this line of code here. Okay, so let's say enter temperature, let's say 45, enter. The output here in Celsius is 7.22. So let's run our program again. But this time we're going to input here number 2, which we will compute for the Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion. So the first statement here will be false, then we will automatically jump here. Okay, now let's look at the input. So let's say we input here 54, just inputting random numbers. So the temperature in Fahrenheit is now 129.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is an implementation of, let's say, have a menu, and then the user decides to choose one from the options provided. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.